the completed model, and it's quite a nice little model. The panel lines and rivet lines are unfortunately raised, but there's a lot of surface detail, and you can see here that I drilled out the holes in the exhaust. The propeller does turn. You can see there's some nice detail on the decals there with the tiger mouth, and there's our figure. And let's see if we can get some detail there. You can see the detail here of our instrument panel. And I chose to have the canopy open. We do have our guns here, as well as two in the front. And I added some detail here for the wheel well because they were quite empty and boring. And then you can see here the detail for the flaps. You can have them up or down. All in all, it's a fun little model to build, and comes out with quite a nice result. This is the review of a model that I have already completed. It's the P-40, and it's the Tiger Shark, and also known as the Tomahawk. And those are the colors used. And it's a fairly simple construction. The cockpit's built next to the exhausts go in, and then you mount the cockpit inside the fuselage. The fuselage is put together, and next the nose is put on, as well as the guns, the elevator and stabilizer, tail wheel. Then the wings are built. Now you can actually have these so that the flaps are mobile, and they've got some detail there. And the wings are mounted onto the fuselage, landing gear is built. There's a fuel tank that's put on, propeller, some additional details, and then the canopy, either open or closed. And there are the painting instructions. So there's Army, Air Corps or Canadian, and then there's also the Flying Tigers.